My name is Tanika Mason, and I'm here to get a knee replacement. I've been in pain for like 3 years, and it was to the point where like my knee was swollen all the time. So it was like it's painful. I found out about Operation Walk through the Clearwater Free Clinic. The doctors also volunteer at the free clinic, so that's how I got involved with the program.
Operation Walk is a non-for-profit that BayCare's partnered with, providing free joint replacements. There are patients within our community that are uninsured, below a certain poverty guideline, and we're here to help support them to get them the surgeries that they need. Being able to give back to the community really aligns with our values here at BayCare. We do community service, community benefit throughout the entire year, and this is just another way that the Orthopedic Institute can help contribute to those services.
Like I say, I thank him and I appreciate him for doing this for people that can't afford it. I thank him, I appreciate it. I'm excited to go back to the new year with a new knee. It's gonna be awesome, no pain. I can work as much as I need to so I can take care of myself.